America is a huge country, but did you know millions of Americans actually hate the state they live in? Why are people packing up and leaving their hometowns every year? Today we are exposing the hidden facts, real story and shocking reasons behind why so many Americans cannot stand their own state. Get ready, this might change the way you see America. Around the world.